Hello children. In continuation with our chapter number 3 factors and multiples, our next topic it is LCM. LCM, it is the lowest common multiple. Let us understand it with the help of the examples. Here I have written the multiples of 3 and multiples of 5. You know all the table of 3 till 10 and the table of 5 till 10. Now multiples everyone knows. Now we have to see which are the common multiples here. So which is the common numbers here? First of all, it is 15, that is in both the tables, and next it is, which number it is next? It is 30, that is in both the tables. So 30 is in both the tables. Now our common multiples, they are 15 and 30. But now we have to find the LCM. LCM means lowest, the number should be lowest common multiple. So out of 15 and 30, which one is the lowest? It is 15. So our LCM of 3 and 5, it will be 15, and this we have done by listing our common multiples. Fine. Now in this exercise we are going to learn about finding the LCM first by common multiples, and the second method it will be prime factorization. Moving now towards your exercise 3.5, question number 1, it is find the LCM by listing the multiples. The A part is 20, 12 and 15. Now 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120. Similarly, we will write the multiples of 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 sixes are 90, 15 sevens are 105, 15 eights are 120, 15 nines are 135, and 15 tens are 150. Now our next step it is that we have to list the common multiples. So which numbers are common in both the tables? The first it is 60, which is common, and after that which number it is common? It is 120. So 60 and 120, they are the first two common multiples of 12 and 15. Fine. Now we have to see which one it is the least common. LCM we have to find. So it means we have to see which one it is the least common, or we can say which one it is the lowest number between 60 and 120. So it is 60. So our LCM it will be 60. Now moving towards our B part, it is 15 and 20. We have to list the common multiples of 15 and 20. So first of all we have to write the table of 15 and the table of 20. Fine. So after that we have to see which one it is the common multiple. So which are the common multiples? First it is 60, which is common. After 60 it is again 120 it is there, Any number in the middle it is common? No. After that? No. So which are the common multiples here? Again 60 and 120. And what will be our LCM? LCM, it will be 60. Why LCM it will be 60? Because 60 it is the lowest common multiple in between 60 and 120.